Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is another makeup free day, as you can see, which means this is a cleaning video. Granted, by my last cleaning video where I wore no makeup. And today we're tackling the bathroom because, oh boy, does she need help. So, this is the bathroom situation. Sharing it with my brother currently. So as you can see, the sink is right there. Like, why do we have two hand soaps? I don't know. This is what this drawer looks like, a mess. My products, his products, messy. Medicine cabinet is full and probably expired things in here. So we're gonna tackle it today. Now, the bathroom has been one of those things that I've been meaning to like do, because every time I look at it, I'm like, oh my god, like I can't deal with like this messy clutter. But then every time I look at it, I'm like, it's so messy, I don't want to deal with it. But alas, we have to start somewhere. Am I gonna finish today? Who knows, but at least we're gonna start the video and tackle it. And that is good enough for me. First things first is I'm going to practically get rid of anything that is expired. So like see, this is the issue right here. My deodorant, no. So this is my brother's acne thing that he doesn't use anymore because I gave him something else. I usually just am the dermatologist for my brother's, but this expired January of 18. He's not using this anymore, so this can be thrown away. Let's see, what else is in here? See, I don't know why this cup is in here. There's like old razor blades in here. I don't know if he uses this, I'll have to ask them. But there's also like his razor here and like his little weird like basket thing over there with more razors. His deodorant doesn't fit in there, so we'll have him go through it. Let's see, what else is in here that I can take out? Oh, okay, so there's a bottle of hairspray here, but there's a bottle of hairspray there, and that's my brother. So I'm going to we're just going to take it out. How about we just take it all out? I think that's what makes the most sense. Gonna give it a quick wipe down. So before I ended up like coming back to my parents' house to like be here, I had like products, like hair products I can use here, but I also brought back like my hair products. Oh, my nose is itchy. But I also brought back like hair products from like college. So I have a lot of like repeat products. Like I have 2 bottles of like dry shampoo, 2 bottles of like, you know. So I'm going to put all of the repeat items under the sink. That's very spacious. And like for some reason we have like 2 bottles of soap out. It just takes up space. I'm gonna put the janky regular soap because I like my bath a lot for soap. So we're gonna put that away. Another empty bottle can be trashed. Okay, just to have like less stuff out on the counter space, because I feel like this is a task that I don't want to tackle right now as much. So all medicine things are gonna go on the maybe I should go on this side, on the very top portion of the medicine cabinet. Just so, you know, there's medicine in the medicine cabinet and there's like a designated space for there. Okay, so I think I figured out what I want to do also now is that I have this basket where I had all the like my things here on the counter. My mom had just done this just so like all of my stuff was in a basket, but I think I want all of my skincare in the medicine cabinet itself, and I'm gonna put everything that would have stayed on the counter inside the basket so it's a little bit more organized. So for example, hair care products, or like our mouthwashes, because there's 2 separate bottles of mouthwashes, and just stuff like that in this basket. But I'll have to figure out how I want to or organize my skincare first. Okay, so this is what the medicine cabinet looks like now. I know you may think like, hey, that's all of your stuff and like not really your brother's stuff, but it's fine. You guys, we're gonna figure this out. He doesn't have that much stuff. So top drawer, we have all of our medicines and like acne stuff. So like face masks and spot treatment and Aquaphor, just like general stuff. And then this is all of my skincare. You know, that I use for the most part. And then this bottom is like more stuff-ish. So we have like sunscreen and then like deodorant. See, his deodorant's in there. You know, and he may not want it there, but he can decide that when he wakes up. And I think this is how the medicine cabinet should be, just because I felt like even before it was most of my things anyways. But that's that. But now we still have like all of this to deal with, and we still have like this drawer that's full of other stuff. So this is kind of what I mean by like putting it all in a basket. We have our 2 separate mouthwashes. My hair products are in the back. His hair products are in the front, just so it's easier for him to grab. And then I know what I need whenever I need it. Now I'm just gonna give like that back corner a wipe down and put back the flowers. Remember those flowers? Yeah, we found a place for them. But yeah, just wiped out that and then kind of set it up and then go through this toothbrush situation. So one of my tips to get out like stubborn hair, either in like drawers or things that like you don't necessarily like want to wash and get like little hairs everywhere, is get either like a tape or a lint roller and just kind of pick up the hair like that. So I'm just going like this, and I didn't even realize you could do this. That would probably make it a lot easier. And this is just a container where like my brother holds a lot of his things. So I'm just going like that, making sure I'm not just dropping it on the floor, but that it's actually like picking it up on the lint roller. And you know, I'm sure that like boys don't care about this that much, but like I do, and you know, maybe it's something that they won't notice, but it'll make me feel a little bit cleaner, especially in the situation. And yeah, it's practically no hair, no, can't really even see it, but it's all on here and you can get rid of it, and like you didn't have to like do much. And even though like this area, I mean, I'm still not done clearly, but even though like this area like still has a lot of things on it, it doesn't take up like half of the counter space like it did anymore. And now like everything kind of has a home, so like all of my brother's things are there, which are usually just spread out here anyways. So hopefully, fingers crossed, he can like keep it organized, but at least like it looks cleaner. But now I have to figure out a home for everything else. Okay, I'm gonna do one final wipe down of like just things that are sticky from like the mouthwash and like hair products and stuff, and we have a clean and organized like space in the bathroom, which makes my heart very happy, because like coming into the bathroom and just seeing the mess really like, ugh, I don't like at all. And this is where we're at right now. So much more counter space for whatever needs to be needed. And I know this is really awkward carrying this around and noisy. And then we have the medicine cabinet where things aren't falling out, and it makes sense and kind of made it like my territory, but it's okay because he has this little corner right there. But I'm very happy with this outcome. Very happy. I just took a shower and it felt amazing just coming out and not seeing a mess. I still have to tackle that one drawer, but I feel like I need like a couple of baskets that I don't have, so we're gonna leave that until it's kind of safe to go out again, because I will be here till like August probably. So stay tuned for the next part, but this is just a quick little extra cleaning video if you fell off the bandwagon and you have a mess somewhere, and hopefully this can kick your gears into grind and do a little bit of more organizing with all this time that we happen to have. But I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and I will see you guys on my next video.